Konnichiwa minna, Genki. Here's my first animation debut and welcome to my page Animation ni Berto. Please give it a follow and like. Gome, sobrang tagal na nito, last year pa to eh. Ngayon ko palang ginawa. Sorry agad, medyo cringe. No. Nahihirita ako pag naririnig ko yung sarili kong boses. Hindi ko alam kung gagawin sa first animation ko. So, let me tell you about myself na lang. I'm Berto, 23. I'm really a fan of anime or Japanese animations. I love watching anime like Chat. I also love to draw traditional and digital. And most of their syempre anime style. One of my goals is to earn using my talent or passion, which is art. Unfortunately, now it's somehow unstable and I'm currently applying for a job. After I graduated kasi, I focus on how to get clients sa Fiverr or Upwork.
So, para kanino ka ba bumabangon? Sa pera, syempre, saan pa ba? Char, pero 50% totoo. Yay! Graduate na din!
Fortunately, nagka-client ako for a long term, almost for 3 months. Then after that, wala na akong masyadong client and my funds is also decreasing. Then I realized I need a job. Hindi yung job na I need other work kahit di art related basta may earnings. I promise myself once I save and invest sa mga need ko for my passion, I'll put more effort to it. Once maging stable na din ang income, mag-focus ako sa passion ko. So, wish me luck. So, that's all for my first animation debut. Hope you like it. I'm also planning to make this consistent. So, what animation should I do next? Let me know your suggestions. Gawa ba ako ng story animation ko like my most embarrassing experience? Or you can send me a story and gawa natin ng animation yan. Sakto, dami ko rin kahihiyan na pinagdaanan. Yung para bang gusto mo na magpakain sa lupa. Char. Yoshi, hanggang dito muna. See you on my next animation. Jane. Matane. Thank you.
I'm up drinking till I'm stuck.